This tutorial is about accessing and organizing emails. First, go to gmail.com, open it and type your username and password. So enter the password for your username and click next. With that, you will log into your Gmail account. Now, first we'll check how can we organize the emails into one folder. On the left hand side corner, you will find labels. So at the bottom, there is icon called create new label. Click that and give a name for the new label. So maybe office as example and click create. So your new label office is created. If you want to drag and drop or save some emails into that, so just click drag it and put into that folder. So now the email is under the folder office. So likewise you can organize your important files into folders. So now next we are going to save important emails as important. So click on that and on the right hand side 3 dots, if you click, there is option called mark as important. Click that and so that you can mark it as important. So I'm clicking it once again for you. Click mark as important. So it is marked as important. Or else there is easy way to mark that. So there is star there. You can also click that star. So now you can find the starred ones as important there. So you're going to click the stars which are near that. So these are marked as important. Next, we'll check how can we save the email as draft. So type in the sender's email ID, subject, type it. And we are typing the subject now and type the message and click on the close button, into button on the right hand side corner. Automatically it will be saved in drafts. And whenever you find time, you can type the remaining messages and send it. So this is the use of drafts. Next, you're going to save it mails to archive. So just click it and click the archive button on the upside. So it will save to archive. So this is how. And when you want to delete the emails, click on that and click the recycle bin icon on the top. So it will delete your email. So I'm clicking the delete button and this will delete and you will find move to trash and all will be in trash. If you want to empty trash, click on the trash on left hand side and click and delete forever, can be given afterwards. So now you are going to learn how to reply for email. Click that, click on reply and to the same email ID you can respond reply. So type in the message which you want to send and click send. It will send the email. So just send. And if you want to forward and you're clicking on the mail which you want to forward, just click the forward button. Type in the address to whom you want to forward the same email and now you can forward the same email to many people whom you wish to forward. So next, how to delete the spam email. So click on the spam folder, one email is there, click that and click delete forever. So because some may be harming, so you can also give delete all spam messages now.